Tired of slow, messy cooking that leaves you scrubbing for hours? Imagine cutting your meal prep time in half while cooking healthier, crispier food with less oil. The COSORI air fryer replacement basket is designed to make that a reality. Certified safe and built with high-quality materials, this basket lets you enjoy all the benefits of air frying without worrying about harmful chemicals or complicated cleanups. I was skeptical at first, sticking to my microwave like many of us do. But after switching to the COSORI air fryer and getting the replacement basket, dinner prep transformed completely. My husband was already a fan, and now I'm hooked too. We've shaved down cooking times dramatically. Fish that once took 18 minutes in the oven at 450 degrees now cooks perfectly in just 8 minutes at 400 degrees. From homemade chicken strips to roasted veggies and even pizza, everything comes out delicious and crispy, without the extra grease or wait time. Plus, the basket's non-stick coating means cleanup is a breeze. We soak it overnight and just wipe it down in the morning, no scrubbing required. What really sets this basket apart is its thoughtful design. It fits perfectly with COSORI Black CP158AF, CS158CO158 models, and features a cool touch handle and safety guard for worry-free use. The inner and outer baskets separate easily, making serving and cleaning simple. And if you're concerned about dishwasher safety, rest easy, this basket is dishwasher safe too. On top of that, COSORI offers lifetime customer support, so you're never on your own if questions come up. If you're ready to speed up your cooking and enjoy healthier meals with less hassle, the COSORI air fryer replacement basket is worth a look. Try it when you're ready and see how it changes your kitchen routine.